Bring the truck over here. The crane will load it into the truck.
All right, officer.
Crane, you can load the croco, but be careful.
All right. Go, go, go! Go, go, go! Oh my God.
Officer, I need help.
Oh my gosh, the truck is stuck. I have an idea. Construction vehicles. Let's get the truck out of trouble together.
Of course, we won't leave him in the lurch.
Well done. Now let's replace the speed bump with a lower one. Oh yeah, now it's safe to drive through.